In this video, we'll show you how to replace the brake pedal switch on your Ford F-150. This is located on the interior of the vehicle and below the dashboard. Let's get started. Following our brake pedal up from the bottom, we'll find our brake pedal switch. We can go ahead and turn this in the clockwise direction, 90 degrees. That'll pull out of the bracket. Flipping it over on the other side, we have a small tab. Go ahead and press in on the tab. It can help to push in on the connector while you press in on the tab, then you can pull it out. Make sure you check your terminals for any damage or corrosion. These look good. We can press in on the electrical connector. Make sure you audibly hear it click or that it's all the way set down and won't pull back out. We go ahead and push this in. The switch will depress and we can turn it counterclockwise 90 degrees. Make sure that's seated in. Make sure you press on the brake pedal and test the brake switch. Check your tail lights, make sure all the lights are functioning. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.